So today I'm going to talk about how I retwist my hair using water only. I'm the kind of person I'm very scared to get buildup, so I refuse to use anything in my hair besides maybe water and a little bit of like coconut oil. So this is what my hair looks like. I've already retwisted the edges because I was a little lazy to finish it all, but I needed to go to work and I needed to look presentable, so I just did my edges. So what you're seeing right now is all that new growth I have. I hadn't retwisted in over like a month, I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but this is what my hair looks like after being washed. It's only been like a day or two. So what you're going to do is have your bottle with water and just spray the roots of your hair. I don't like spraying the whole entire lock, just the roots of my hair. Make sure it's really kind of soaked with this water. And then I just kind of massage it into all of them. I try to get as much as I can at once. Then I finger separate one lock, the one that I'm going to twist. I start twisting with my fingers. Make sure I get all that hair in, and then I palm roll it until it all kind of clumps up into this little roll. I don't know exactly what you call it, but I'm going to do the same thing again. Separate it. Sometimes your hair gets in the way, so you might need to use like a hair tie or something to hold your hair back, the rest of it back. But then you just kind of separate it, make sure you get all that new growth, and just take your fingers, twirl it, and twist it till you get it in place, until you're comfortable enough to start palm rolling it. Palm roll it until it gets really tight and it can be secure on its own. I like doing this way because I don't like using like pins or anything in my hair, because sometimes it hurts and they start getting in the way and all that. So I prefer to do it this way, and then those that are already done, I just kind of pull them into a bun as I'm continuing. So at this point, I've gotten like a third of the way, and as you can see, it's holding pretty well. It's holding pretty well. Can't complain so far. And this is my halfway point. Looks pretty good so far, all locked up and nice. There we go. Back seems a little bit bigger than the front. I didn't know exactly what I was doing with sizing and parting, but these are my results. And after it's all complete, this is what it looks like. My whole hair is twisted, and so I just like to pull that into a nice little bun so I can dry. I don't usually use the hair dryer on it, but that's what I'll do, and sleep on it overnight. And these are my results. So this is after like a week of it being twisted, and I wear it like that to work, half up, half down. As you can see, the roots stay pretty well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.